All right, today what we're looking at is the front of this Ridgeline. I really like it. The only chrome piece on this whole front view is this Grill Garnish right here that's chrome. Now there's a black edition and the sport editions now come with a black piece right here, and that makes the whole front black. This is a RTL-E, a 2021 model, and I'm pretty sure the RTL and the RTL-E, I think both come with the chrome, and then the sport edition and the black edition come with the black. So what I've done is I've ordered and purchased a black piece right here. I'll put links in the description for part numbers and everything. I bought a genuine Honda part and I bought it at my local Honda dealer. I found them online, but by the time they had shipping, it was a lot of money. So if I was going to be that close in price, I just figured I'd buy it at the Honda dealer. That way if I had any problems, I could go take care of it there and I wouldn't have to worry about it getting damaged in shipment. That little bitty part comes in this size box, so that's why I guess shipping is so expensive online if you order it online. So anyway, we're gonna take this out and we're gonna get started. Okay, so this is a job I've never done. Don't really know exactly how this is gonna work, but I gotta get to this piece, and they have push pins holding these in. And so first what I'm gonna do, since this garnish is tucked under this black plastic piece, I'm gonna start by removing this all the way across. And I believe on these, you don't need tools on this part. Well, need a trim removal tool, I think, on this part. But here, I think I can just go across and lift it with my hand. So you just kind of, you don't want to crack it. You just kind of put your hand at different spots along the way, and you just start to pull up. Okay, this trunk thing, gotta watch because it's in the way, so I need to kind of, I think I'm gonna start here and leave this middle till the end so that I can pull the whole thing forward. Okay, see, now I got it off, so now I can pull it forward like that. Just set it aside. So now this exposes what's holding this on. So I've got these four that I can see. And then what we could do is look at our new piece in the box and see where it's being held on here. I didn't know what I'd be dealing with, so I just grabbed this nice metal clip removal. And then I had these just cheap plastic trim removal tools. I'm thinking that I'd like to use this one if it'll fit in there. It's the most, yeah, I think I can. You want to get these without breaking them. So, don't want to be too rough with them. Okay. Okay, see that? So that middle button pops up like that, and you're taking them out carefully. So I'm just gonna take these out, set them aside, make sure I don't step on them. I'm putting them down there on the floor. Okay, so we got the middle off. So now I just gotta kind of figure out how that's held in, which is the part I don't know about. So I'm gonna get the new one out, making sure I don't scratch it along the way. You're gonna see why this box is so big. It's because of the shape of this thing. It doesn't weigh anything. It's just the way it's shaped required that. So they have this nice soft cover on it. Okay, So it's always good if you have another part to just look at it and learn what you can from it. So here we see the 4 pins that we just took off. And then here, this is what I can't see. It's good, there's no pins in there. There's just these little clips right here. And there's that hole. I wonder if there's something snapped in there. So over here, 2 little things, and it's got a hole there. So I don't know if that hole has something snapped in, but if it does, it would be right here, right on the edge. So we will see. Guess I'll just be careful. See if I can kind of grab and just be nice if I could get something in there. Let me get my pry tool. I'm gonna not use the metal one, of course. Might be able to get a pry tool in there. Can get the pry tool under, but maybe this one that's bent, I have to pull it out for me. I think it did it. So what I'm trying to do is pull straight out toward me, and I think it did. See this right here? That's out, but something's still holding it, even right here. So that's what I don't know, like what's holding it here. Okay. It sounds terrible. So I'm hoping that oh, I feel like something's holding it. Yeah, at the bottom. Okay, so come on in here. This clip was snapped in, and so there was one here. So these 2 spots, if you want to kind of look at your headlight, they're like right there. That's where we were trying to pry. And then what I also noticed is that there's some clips on the bottom that were holding it in more. So hopefully now that we got it off this way, we'll be able to get it off this side. Not the easiest. I didn't find any good videos on this, so that's why I'm hoping this one's helpful to people. Okay. I think I found this bent one to be the best. Don't get your fingers in there. Okay, not the easiest, like I said. So you've got these 2 pins that are snapped very well into those 2 right there. And then what I also want to point out across the front here, it's not just these 4 that we took out. It's these. You see this hole right here? There's 4 of them across there. So those 4 are lining up with these right here. This one, Well, there's more than that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You got 14 places holding this little thing on. So we got it. So we got our 6 across the bottom, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it does match. We just want to line it up. Just kind of line it up there, setting it on there. I'm just going to start here. And our top 4 are lined up perfect. Just going to kind of push it along to make sure that all those are snapped in by pushing it all the way around. Make sure I don't step on my push pins. Now, to put these back on, I shouldn't need any tools. Should just be able to just ease them in there by hand, don't force them. And then once you get it in there, you just push it. So you push the bottom ring, touch it with your finger, goes right back in. Not bad. So this didn't take any tools. Remember when we pulled it off, it just snapped off. And the hood open latch kind of stuck out here in the front. So we want to put it on this way over that latch first. We want to just kind of line it up, get that latch in there. Jiggle that hood latch so it kind of starts to go in. And just kind of center it up, kind of falls into place because you got your washer fluid over here, you got this thing right here, so those kind of help you get it lined up. These things right here, so I know I'm already pretty much lined up. So now I just want to start over here and start kind of pushing down as I go across. So then, since I can't see all the clips, I just want to kind of press thoroughly so that I know I got them all in. All right, so we got that back on. Let's see how it looks. It's all black. It didn't take us long at all. All right, so hope that video has been helpful to you. I will put a link in the description with the Honda part number for this black garnish. I'll also put the part number for the chrome garnish if you have a need to change that one out and need a new chrome garnish. I'll also put the part number the Honda parts person gave me for those push pins in case you break one of those 4 push pins. I think he said they're 75 cents a piece at the Honda parts store. So I'll put those in there, and so check out the link in the description, and I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for watching.